We've done a great job configuring and testing how Maven Documents work, and now it's time to get familiar with some more advanced features which are still easy to use. First is export and import functionality. Imagine you set up all the templates in your sandbox, you tested them, and now you're ready to move them to production. Of course, you can just set up everything from scratch or use a Salesforce tool to transfer the records, but we want to provide you with a native solution that works seamlessly and is intuitive to navigate through. In order to export a document solution with all the templates, button configurations and actions, go to your document solution and just click Export. This will generate a file that you can find attached to your document solution record. Download the file to your computer and go to the org you want to import it in. In order to import a document solution, first you need to create a document solution record in your org. On the created document solution, click Import and upload the exported file here. That's it. As soon as the file is uploaded, you'll have all the configuration for your document solution on any org you need.